I just learned it today that peeling water chestnuts is so simple. You only need a spoon. 3 in 1 minute. Clean and no waste. Hello everyone, I'm This Mom. Let's follow the video to see the specific steps of the method. Water chestnuts are also called bidi in some places, as a delicious and nutritious food. It is loved by many consumers. However, due to its unique growing environment and uneven shape, along with the difficult to remove peel, makes enjoying the original flavor of water chestnuts a challenge. Whether using a knife to peel or using fingernails to scrape, it's very laborious. So most people, although they like it, give up. Today, we will introduce a method to peel water chestnuts that is clean and efficient, so that everyone can enjoy this delicious dish. As we all know, water chestnuts are a type of fruit that grows in the soil. The skin has a lot of dirt and parasites, so they need to be thoroughly cleaned before use. We put the water chestnuts in a large basin, then sprinkle some edible baking soda on top. Evenly sprinkle a little on the surface of the water chestnuts. Then add a little salt. Add more clean water. Then stir it by hand. Mix the salt and baking soda until dissolved. If time permits, you can soak the water chestnuts in salt water for 10 minutes. Then wash them. This way, the dirt on the skin will be easy to wash off. Now the time is almost up. We can start scrubbing the water chestnuts. When washing water chestnuts, be sure to scrub hard, because impurities are easy to remain on them. So when washing them, be sure to use more force. Washing water chestnuts also makes peeling them very quick and efficient, saving time and being clean. So don't find it troublesome. Adding salt and baking soda has both softening and sterilizing effects. This way, the washed water chestnuts will immediately show the muddy water and dirt. After washing the water chestnuts, drain the water. Rinse them under running water. This way, clean and fresh water chestnuts are ready. Next, we will share a slightly faster method. First, use a knife to cut off the top and bottom parts of the water chestnut. These two parts basically have no flesh. Moreover, water chestnuts are prone to strong parasites, so it is a good choice to remove them beforehand. Next, use a peeler to peel off the skin in the middle part. It is very simple and practical. In just a few seconds, you can get a clean water chestnut. The vendors selling water chestnuts outside also use this method. Peeling water chestnuts is both quick and clean. The process is very easy. When we buy water chestnuts in the market, we should choose the larger water chestnuts. Generally, larger water chestnuts have more flesh. Also, squeeze it to check the hardness. Fresh water chestnuts are usually quite hard on the outside. If the outside is already soft, it means that the water chestnut has already gone bad. Peeling fresh water chestnuts is easier, and the flesh will be more crunchy and sweet. So, do you like this method of peeling water chestnuts? Next, we will share method 2. Boil water in a pot. Boil the water on high heat. When the water boils, put the water chestnuts in the pot and boil for 5 to 20 minutes. Don't boil too long, or they will become mushy, and the texture will become old. The nutrients will also be lost. Perhaps everyone doesn't know the growing environment of water chestnuts. They are a plant that grows in paddy fields and marshes, and they are very easily polluted by some harmful or toxic organisms. Pollution. The skin or internal organs will contain a lot of toxic biological excretions, chemicals, and may also contain some bacteria and parasite eggs. Boiling them like this has some benefits. First, it makes peeling easier, making the peeling process easy and enjoyable. Second, it kills parasites. When the time is up, we take them out and drain the water. Then soak them in cold water to cool them down. After cooling, we can take them out and start peeling them. Use a knife to cut off the sprouts and the top of the water chestnuts, and cut off the base as well. Then use your fingernail to peel along the edge of the skin. The skin will come off, just like peeling an egg, one large piece at a time. Slimy can contain a water chestnut, or we can use a spoon. Similarly, cut off both ends. Then gently scrape with a spoon. The skin will fall off. This way, you can ensure the internal flesh remains intact and significantly reduce peeling time. The peeled skin is very thin. It's just the outermost layer, with almost no flesh, preserving the juicy water chestnut. It looks bigger and fuller, much better than using a knife. Because it is boiled water chestnut, the taste is not as crisp as when eaten raw. But the cooking time is also short. It is still crunchy, not mushy. And the taste is even sweeter than when raw. You can try it out. And the advantage of using this method is, after being boiled at high temperatures, all types of bacteria in the water chestnut are killed, making it safer to eat. So why is it easier to peel after boiling? Because under high temperatures, the skin rapidly expands and separates from the flesh. Soaking in cold water causes it to contract. The skin will easily fall off. Do you remember that? With the simple steps above, you can get perfect water chestnuts, one after another. A plate of pure white water chestnut flesh will be ready soon. Everyone can comfortably eat water chestnuts one by one. At this point, whether stewed into a soup or made into a delicious dish, it will be very satisfying. Next, we will share a healthy drink made from water chestnuts. First, cut the water chestnuts into small pieces. Dear friends, making videos is not easy. Every comment and like from you is my motivation to keep going. If you find my video helpful, please give me a like. Thank you for your support. Put the cut water chestnuts directly into the pot. Then add chrysanthemum and sugarcane. Then add more water to cover the water chestnuts. Cover with a lid. Usually cook for about 30 minutes. When the water chestnut flavor is released, it is ready. No need to add sugar. It will naturally be sweet. The cooked sugarcane can also be chewed. The taste is similar to water chestnuts, even crunchier. While still warm, pour into a bowl and enjoy. You can boil more of this water. It can be consumed throughout the day. The taste remains sweet. It's suitable for the whole family. Cooking it with sugarcane helps moisten the lungs and relieve cough. It also nourishes the yin, which is especially beneficial in winter. It's really quite similar to drinking pear and rock candy syrup. They have similar effects. Those who easily get heady or cough can find it very soothing. Alright, today's video on water chestnuts ends here. Did you learn it? I hope the tips shared today will help you with the problem of peeling water chestnuts. It's worth mentioning, this method is both convenient and labor-saving, avoiding unnecessary waste, making it easy for you to enjoy this natural gift. Remember to share it with your family and friends. If you have better methods for handling, feel free to leave a comment below. Your comments and shares can help more people in need. Click on my video profile to watch more videos on food and life tips. I share different exciting videos every day. Don't forget to follow me. Thank you for your support. I'm Eat This. See you in the next video.